All right, Gabriel walked out here to show you the Go Man Go Dodge Demon 170 we've got on offer. We'll just do a quick walk around. Again, this one only has 95 miles. Still has the protective chin protectors on it and those yellows, so you can remove those at your own discretion. Obviously no dents, no damage, no scratches. It's been just basically beautifully polished. Obviously original wheels. Never been raced, never been abused. This one does have the flat back finish on the deck lid, roof, and hood. Sorry, I'm a little confined on space here, so. Let's see the Demon 170 specialty badges. Again, very difficult car to criticize here. Mentioned stickers. I guess all the stickers will be on the other side. This is car number 2290. Still has its airbag sticker. Here, I'll show you too, just so you know we haven't driven it. It is still registering just 95 miles. Let me jump to the other side here real quick. Oop. I was waiting for the window to shut for me. I guess there you go. So that's our tire pressure, production 9 of 23. VIN number ending 2290 to match the plate on the dash there. Still got plastic on the floors. Demon 170 embroidered seats. Yeah, I don't know what else to show you. Oh, I guess that's the only other sticker that's here is the tire pressure, load capacity. Yeah, let's try to get a deal done today. You won't be disappointed. This is a nice one.